first graders. This is for Thursday, April 2nd, Phonics PowerPoint. Go ahead and read along with us. All right, we have LE at the end of a few words here. It says ul. So this word is app, ul. What's the word? Next word, think. Say, candle. Next word, think. A says its name. Table. What's the word? Table. Next word, think. Say, puzzle. Next word, think. Say, bundle. Next word, think. Say, purple. Next word, think. Say, rattle. Think. Says its name. Say, title. Next word. Followed by an E, so the G says J. Think. Say, the word is gentle. Last word, think. Say, sparkle. All right, this word is coin. What's the word? Change C to J. Think. Say, the word is join. What's the word? Get rid of the N. Think. Say, the word is joy. What's the word? Change J to T. Think. Say, the word is toy. Change T to B. Think. Say, the word is boy. What's the word? Add an L at the end of the word. Think. Say, the word is boil. What's the word? Change B to SP. Think. Say, the word is spoil. What's the word? Change SP to just S. Think. Say, the word is soil. What's the word? Change S to F. Think. Say, the word is foil. What's the word? Get rid of the F. Think. Say, the word is oil. What's the word? All right. Remember that when you see LE at the end of a word and there is a consonant right before the letter, then they make the sound ul. The consonant plus LE are all in the same final syllable. So if we have the word riddle and we clap it, we have rid-ul. So we have RID, rid, is in our first syllable, and then DLE says dull. Here we have the word cradle. We have two syllables, cradle, cray, and this is a long vowel because it's at the end of a syllable and it's an open syllable. And then we have DLE that says dull, cray, dull. Let's look at some other ones. This word is apple. Once again, we have that LE that says ul, so we have app, ul. Same thing here. We split in the consonants. Bad, tull, bat, ul. Eagle, E, and this is a vowel team. EA says E, eagle. This word is tie, tull, and we split after the I in between the I and the T, which makes the I say its name because it's an open syllable. All right, we are going to read a story called Beavers Make Noise. Now, this story is also in your phonics packet that you picked up yesterday, so you might get the chance to read it again. Here's some words that are in this story. that we want to go over. This word is build. What's the word? This word is have. What's the word? This word is they. What's the word? This word is toward. What's the word? This word is water. What's the word? This word is above. What's the word? This word is where. What's the word? This word is live. What's the word? And this word is why. What's the word? All right, beavers make noise. Now remember, this week we are talking about O-I and O-Y. Both of those spellings make the sound oi, oi. Beavers make noise. You are going to read along with me. Ready? Read. Beavers use sharp teeth to cut down trees that fall with a loud noise. Then beavers use the trees to build dams and lodges. If you look at this picture over here, this is a beaver dam, and they're blocking the water. Ready? Second page. Beavers have a choice. They will pick a stream that is not deep. Beavers make a dam with sticks and stones. They use mud or wet soil. The stream flows toward the dam. The water forms a deep pond in back of the dam. Next page, ready? Read. Beavers pick a spot in the pond. Then they hoist branches and logs. They join it all with mud. Beavers form a lodge shaped like a dome. There's the dome shape in that picture up there. It looks like a toy fort made by a boy. The lodge sticks up above the water. Last page. Ready? Read. Inside the lodge is a big open space. This is where the beavers live. They swim in and out of the lodge under the water. Beavers feel safest in the water. That is why beavers build dams to make ponds. It is why they build lodges in ponds too. All right. A preposition connects nouns to other words in a sentence. So, some prepositions are above, beyond, during, for, in, of, on, toward. Those are all prepositions. So they tell us where the noun is. So we have a bridge goes above water. Our noun is the bridge, and we know that it's something to do with water. Our preposition is above because that's where the bridge is. It's above the water. A long bridge is in Florida. So we want to know where the bridge is. It is in Florida. So our preposition is in. Now, also in this sentence, we have the word long. Long is our adjective. It describes the bridge. All right, that's all for today, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5, our last day of our oi sound. Make sure you're reading at home. Bye, students.